All right, this is our math lesson for today. We're working on topic 13-2, and we're working on sorting by one attribute. Now, sorting means to separate things. An attribute is the way we separate them, or some specific detail of the objects, either the color, the size, the shape, or the type of object. Those are all attributes. So watch this video.
What is Quilly doing? Think about it. Quilly is looking at a pile of objects. Quilly wants to sort these objects into groups. Quilly puts some objects into the purse. What objects are in Quilly's purse?
All right, folks, take a look at this. This is a counter. This is a tile. And then we have a button, another button. This one's shaped like a flower, a circle button, and a square button, along with a cube.
There are buttons, a tile, a cube, and a counter in the purse. Are all the objects the same?
All right, what do you think?
No.
Good job.
Quilly can put objects that are the same in some way into a group. What are the ways these objects could be sorted into groups?
So for this one, there's a lot of different ways. So take a minute and think about how you would sort them. Maybe you could even tell someone close to you how you would sort them into objects. One way I might think to sort them is by color. If I'm sorting them by color, I would take this yellow counter, this yellow button, this yellow cube, and I could put all the yellow things together. I'd love to hear how you decided to sort them. Let's find out how Quilly is going to sort them herself.
These objects can be sorted by color, shape, or type of object. What has Quilly done with the objects?
All right, what do you notice? Did she sort by color? No, because there's a yellow one here and there's yellow here. Did she sort by shape? Are these all the exact same shape? No, not that either. She sorted all of the buttons. And when you sort all the buttons, you're talking about the type of object. So she sorted by type.
She has sorted the objects. Which objects did she leave in the purse?
Got ahead of myself. Sorry.
She left the buttons in the purse. Quilly used the purse to put the buttons into a group. Which objects do not belong to the group of buttons?
All the things over here, the counter, tile, and cube.
The tile, the cube, and the counter do not belong to the group of buttons. Quilly sorted the objects and put the buttons into a group. Now you know how to sort objects and put them into groups.
All right, folks, so here's our math mat for the work today. It's lesson 13-2. We're sorting by one attribute. And right here, there's actually nothing because you have to use objects at your house and see if you can sort them. So, with your parents' permission, I want you to try and get 3 spoons, a fork, and a cup and put them into the purse. All right, so it's 3 spoons, a fork, and a cup. I'm going to give you a minute, but you can pause the video and go get those things. All right, now that you're back and you have those objects, I want you to think of a way that you can sort those objects and put them to the ones that are the same together. So what would you end up with if you put that? Here, I can even try and draw. If I start with a fork, it's a pretty terrible fork, and then 3 spoons, you'll have the actual objects, not drawings. All right, so if you start with this, a fork, 3 spoons, and a cup, what way could you sort them by one attribute? Ah, very nice. You can put all of the spoons together because they are the same type of object. And you can just move your spoons over here. I'll draw my spoons again to make it easier. But you'll have your 3 spoons. And that's a way you can sort these objects. Very nice. All right, let's go to the other side. And all right, we're back. And I erased all the annotations I had. So what you're going to do right here, number 1, is you're going to look at these objects and figure out how they're sorted. Are they sorted by color? Are they sorted by shape? Are they sorted by size? Or are they sorted by type of object? All right, you have to tell someone in your house. And then after you've figured out that these are all sorted like type, because they're all buttons, you have to find the other object that fits that group. So this is a group of buttons. So which of these objects would fit? You're right, it's the button, and you just circle it. All right, I helped you with the first one, so the rest of them you're going to do on your own. You're going to look at these objects right here. There's a cube, a square, and a button, and you're going to decide if they're sorted by color, by type of object, by shape, or by size. And once you've told someone how they're sorted, you'll find the object that fits that group over here and circle it, just like we did in number 1. All right, in number 3, you get to come up with how you want to sort the objects. There's actually 2 ways per object to sort, so you get to be a little bit creative. So if you look at this set of objects, how would you sort them? You could sort them by faces. You could sort them by color with the red ones. You could sort them by shape and do the 3 faces and the circle as all being circles. Whatever way you decide to sort them, I want you to put a circle around the objects that fit in your group. And number 4, you'll do the same thing. You'll choose a way to sort these objects and then circle the objects that are in the same group. All right, folks, I hope you had a wonderful time doing your math. You worked really hard, and that was sorting objects. You can find things in your house to sort too, like you could sort out crayons, you can sort markers, you can sort toys, you could sort small objects that you have in your house. All right, I'd love to see some of your sorts. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.